Dear applicants, Assalamu alaikum, and I hope that you all are doing great. So today we will go through the process of how to apply at Isra University, Hyderabad, Karachi, and Islamabad campuses. So for that, you need to visit apply.isra.edu.pk. Once you are on this website, please click on Apply Now. Once you have clicked on Apply Now, it will land you to a page where you need to register and put your important credentials to firstly create an account. Once you have put your credentials, all you need to do is just click on Sign Up. A few important details. Please make sure that you type your email twice and it should be correct, and your password twice and it should match with one another. Then we click on Sign Up. Once you click on sign up, this will be the page which will be right in front of you. So on this page, it's really necessary and important for all of you to please input all the details which are required. In this case, your profile picture, your full name as per CNIC, your phone number, your gender, your father's name, your parents' contact details, and your domicile details, your city details. The passport number is optional. However, the mailing address should be correct. Once the credentials are updated, please click on Save and go to next page. Dear applicants, on this page you may choose the degree programs that you want to study at your desired campuses. For instance, we are right now at Hyderabad campus, and if I click on this drop down menu, it will give me the option to select whatever the degree programs are available right now which are open for admission. So for in this case, we'll select BE Electrical. Likewise, we can do for Karachi and Islamabad campus as well. However, let me tell you, you can not only select one, but more than one degree programs for this admission as well. So for instance, the second choice, I will go with Information Technology. Once it's done, you would see both of the degree programs have been now selected. Now I'll click on Save and Next. Dear applicants, on the second page, you want to put your scores regarding to your matriculation, obtained marks, and your matriculation total marks. On the second row, your intermediate obtained marks and your intermediate total marks. And then please select your desired board. For in this case, we're just going to go with the Lahore board. And for dummy marks, I will just put a few marks over here just to make sure that we can move to the next tab. Now I'll click on Save and Continue. On this page, you need to upload your documents. Now, you need to either upload your Bayform or your CNIC front page and the back page. And over here, you need to upload your intermediate mark sheet and your matriculation mark sheet. Dear applicants, if you're uploading your Bayform, make sure to upload the back side of it as well, regardless, even if it's blank. Otherwise, it won't let you to proceed further. Once you have finally uploaded your documents, please click on Save and Next. Dear applicants, congratulations, you have finally filled your application form online. Now, we are on the page of Submit Form. It is really essential for all of you to please go through the information and review for any required changes. If you wish to go and change, so please go in the relevant tab and update the information. Once you have verified your information and made necessary changes, please click on the Payments section. On the Payment section, as you can read at the top, that the standard application fee is Rs 2,000. Now, to pay this, you have two methods. Method A, online or bank transfer. Method B is demand draft or pay order. In either of the situations, you are required to please upload a payment proof over here. Either it could be a screenshot or a picture of the demand draft. Once you have done that, please click on Save and Continue. Finally, dear applicant, we have reached to the final stage of submission. Now please do make sure that wherever it required documents to be uploaded, you upload the documents, because if you will not do so, it will not be able to submit. So finally, we have submitted all the documents and we have verified our entire information. Therefore, we will click on Acknowledge and Submit. Once you click on Acknowledge and Submit, it will land you to this page. On this page, you can see your application summary. Now, for instance, if you wish to visit the campus physically or by any means you want to know what is the status of your application, in that case, it is important for you to please download your confirmation letter from here. Once you download your confirmation letter will look something like this, as you can see on your screen right now. Congratulations, dear applicant. Finally, you have submitted your application successfully. Dear applicants, if you want to have all the instructions which we have given you in this video, so definitely you can watch them over here by clicking on how to apply guide. We have mentioned all the rules and the steps over here as well. We cannot wait to meet you over here and we wish you the best for your future. Thank you so much and assalamu alaikum.